Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so here we got our function v of t given by t squared minus 2t minus 8 on the interval 2, 8. Okay, so let's find the displacement on this interval. So this is part A of the exercise. Well, the displacement d is just an integral from 2 to 8 of v of t in the t, which is very easy to compute. This one is t cubed over 3 minus t squared minus 8t, evaluated between 0 or between 2 and 8. So this one is 8 cubed over 3 minus 8 squared minus 8 squared again. And now we are going to have minus the evaluation of this guy at 2, which is 8 over 3 minus 4 minus 16. So at the end, what do we get? Well, at the end, we get, okay, 8 cubed over 3 minus 128, 64 multiplied by 2, minus 8 over 3 plus 4 plus 16. Well, let's rewrite it in a more convenient form. Here we are going to have 1 over 3 multiplied by 8 cubed minus 8. And here negative 124, so negative 108. Okay, well, so we are done with the first part of the exercise. Now, in order to find the distance, well, we know that the distance, okay, this is part B, the distance that I'm gonna denote by lowercase d is an integral from 2 to 8 of the absolute value of v of t in the t. So we just need to understand when v of t is positive and when is negative. In order to do this, let's solve the quadratic equation associated to v of t. Well, thanks to the quadratic formula, this quadratic equation is gonna give us solutions. Okay, 2 here, plus or minus square root of 4 plus square root of 4 plus 32, which is 36, so 2 plus or minus 6 over 2. So here we get two solutions, 4 and negative 2. Well, now since t is positive, we are gonna have this solution only. Well, this thing implies that v of t is negative on the interval 2, 4, positive on the interval 4, 8. So this thing shows that our distance is gonna be minus an integral from 2 to 4 of v of t in the t, plus an integral from 4 to 8 of v of t in the t. And well, we already computed an antiderivative of our function, which is t cubed minus t squared minus 8. So here we are gonna have, okay, let's see, t cubed over 3 minus t squared minus 8t, okay, evaluated between 2 and 4, and plus t cubed over 3 minus t squared minus 8t, evaluated between 4 and 8. Okay, so let's evaluate this guy. Well, here we're gonna have, okay, equals negative 1 multiplied by 4 cubed over 3 minus 4 squared minus 32, and then we're gonna have minus the evaluation at 2, so 2 cubed over 3 minus 4 minus 16, so this guy. Actually, since we are here, let me rewrite everything here. Here we are going to have plus because of this minus, and here we are going to have minus, plus, plus, and we can get rid of this one here. Okay, so now we can get rid of our parentheses. Okay, and we are left with this one. Perfect. Okay, now let's do the second one. This one is going to be plus 8 cubed over 3 minus 64 minus 64. And here we're going to have, okay, minus 4 cubed over 3 plus 4 squared, which is 16, plus 32. And well, so this one is the distance, and we are done.